Look at that world. You see all that, Muffin? Everything that the sun touches is ours.
Today we're going on a little hike. We have our GoPro on Muffin for the moose cam effect.
Hang on. Wait for Mama. Wait for Mama.
And she's super excited. She loves being outside.
Okay, keep going. Yep, keep going. You got it. Good girl. Come. You think you can make it up this? Did Papa grab you? Are you ready? Stay right there. See all that, Muffin? Everything that the sun touches is ours.
Carrying the moose down.
Okay, are you ready?
Because yeah, Hunter wants to go rock climbing with a dog. How you guys doing back there? Oh, good girl Moose. She's a little tired. Thank you guys for joining us on our hike today. Hope that you're out enjoying your summer as well. Give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you in the next one.